Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learner to Learner, where I upload English content video that is very important and useful for those who want to learn this language. So after a long time I am going to upload one video that is very important and useful if you are a beginner. So you have to watch this video till the end, then you can get benefit. And in this video I will share how I learn this language and which type of tips that is very important if you are as a beginner. So as a beginner, don't worry about that mistake. Yes, mistake is a part of learning. So always remember, if you are doing mistake while speaking, that is important. That is not worry about that why I do mistake while speaking, because that is a part of learning. Whenever you learn anything, that time first we start with mistake, then we will after some days, after with practice, we do much better. So don't think much about whenever I speak what will be the other person think about my English. So don't think about that, because we are learning. Yes, learning, this is a learning period, so we will do such a things that is a very what I will say, I want to say, this is a hustle bustle. Yes, that time we confuse about our vocabulary, we are confused about how to construct the sentence. Yes, so that is the main reason we are make mistake while speaking. So don't worry about that we are making mistake. I already told you making mistake is a part of learning. So in this video I am going to two different type of tips that is very important if you want to learn this language. So first one is, you have to read. Means reading is a very important. Why? Because whenever you read anything, there is no need to you have to take any only you have to purchase a book. You can take any small children books like second standard, third standard, first standard. Take anything, yeah, any book. Which one is the, if you are a beginner, so take a small book that is very easy to understand. Like start with reading. You should read at least 10 minutes every day. Yes, that is very useful. Whenever you read anything, that time you are came across with new vocabulary, you came across how to construct the sentences and how to make different type of sentences. Where there is how to you ask a question, you put question. Yes, there are different type of things in the book. Okay, whenever you read, you know about that how to read. Yes, so first start with reading. Every day you should read at least 10 minutes with any easy book, which one you understand. If you are not understand, it's okay. Don't try to understand everything, but yeah, it's okay. But you start with reading. You have to make reading as a habit for 21 days. Yes, after 21 days, that is it's a habitual in your life. So you automatically you want to read. So you have to read at least 21 days every day 10 minutes. That is very important, because I want to give you one example also. Now day before yesterday I completed this book. This book name is the New Age Arjuna. So it is a very beautiful book, because here describe everything of Banaras different ghats. Yes, so when I read the everything, I know how beautifully the writer describe about the Asi Ghat and the Manikarnika Ghat, because I never been there, but through this book I know about that. Yeah, so it is a so beautiful book. And in this book there is a one student, one child is there. His name is Arjun, and there is another divine person, and his name is Rudra. So how Rudra explain everything. Discipline is very important in our life, and how to motivate ourselves, like a self-help book. And here Rudra is as a mentor. Yes, here Rudra said to Arjun how to live our life as a productive way. Yes, so how to live a life as a we have to, there is no need to motivate by other person. We have to motivate by ourselves. Yeah, so the whole book is very important. If you are anyone, if you are a student or your housemaker, you anyone, can read this book. This is a very important book. So in this book I learn, from this book I learned so many things. So that's why reading is very important. And while reading I came across different type of vocabulary, and they describe everything very beautifully. Yes, so I know about that. I knew after reading the so much things from this book I learned. And the another important important points I want to say, that is just speaking. Yes, without speaking it is not possible to speak, and it is not possible to utter any word. So think in English as much as possible, then you speak also. Speaking is very important because we are learning the how to improve our speaking skill. So speaking is another part. So friends, try to speak at least 10 minutes every day with anyone. If your surrounding is not like that, then you can speak with by yourself. That is a mirror practice. Nowadays there are so many videos in YouTube for the shadowing practice. You do shadowing practice at least, you can take any YouTube video for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and after that you repeat the same line with same intonation. In this way your muscles, mouth muscles are practiced with English. So in this way you can make easy for you speak English confidently. So you have to speak on daily basis at least 10 to 20 minutes, like in the shadowing practice, you do mirror practice, and reading is also like a speaking. So you do reading, and you can take any you take the help of ChatGPT. Yes, you can talk with ChatGPT, any other AI tools. And so now in this today's video, these two things are very important. So you start with reading. Read every day at least 10 minutes or 10 to 20 pages. That is not compulsory. You can start with 1 page, 2 page, according to you, according to your time, according to your interest. You can take any book and you read anytime, anywhere. And second is the speaking practice. Try to, as much as possible, speak in English. Yeah, this is the play paramount role in speaking English. So these 2 points are very important, and you do this practice for at least 21 days. Yes, after 21 days these 2 habits will be your habit in spoken English. Okay, so that's all for today's video. We will meet again in next video. So till then, bye bye. Before that I would like to say, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and you can share with your friend who want to speak English confidently and who want to learn this language. Okay, so these tips and tricks for the beginner. Bye bye. You can follow me in my Instagram. There I will upload short videos in related to the spoken English tips and tricks. So bye bye.